Hello, Bay East. Did you know that if you have questions on ZipForm, you have 3 resources at your disposal? Realtor Secure Transaction is one of your tools. You can find transaction tips at tips.car.org, or you can find this on the CAR member benefits page, and you can click on the blue icon that will give you quick tips to master each stage of your transaction when you need it. In the middle of preparing for a listing and want more information on listings, this would be your guide to help you along the way, and so much more. If you have a question on what forms you need, go ahead and hop onto your ZipForm transaction and click on TXN Tools. There you will find Forms Advisor. Using Forms Advisor is easy. You'll answer a series of questions about the transactions into Forms Advisor, such as the type of transaction, residential, multi-unit, probate, etc., which party the agent represents, and other transaction-specific information. After, it will direct you to the relevant forms for that specific transaction. The process is fast and simple to use. And if you really have questions and want help to understand the form itself, you can click on Forms Tutor. Forms Tutor explains the most highly utilized standardized forms clause by clause, with audio and text instructions for superior ease of learning. To launch Forms Tutor, look for it inside the Help button in ZipForms Plus, and then click on the icons placed throughout the forms to gain immediate insight about that forms function. Any questions, you're always more than welcome to contact Bay East Tech Support at 925-730-7100. Thanks for watching.